ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತ ಹೊಡಿತಾರಂತ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕು. ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಯಾರು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು.
पापा पापा मैं बड़ी होके डॉक्टर बनूंगी।
ठीक है बेटा।
Yes, I did it. Congratulations बेटा।
Proud of you. मैडम आप हमारे बच्चे को बचा तो लोगे ना?
आप चिंता मत कीजिए, हम अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करेंगे।
वो बैक साइड।
क्या चाहिए आपको?
अभी बताता हूँ।
Louder, louder. First heard, audible. She was just 19-year-old when she first heard the case of Nirbhaya. A thought went in her mind that what if this happens with me? And little did we know it actually happened with her. And let me remind you everybody, little do we know it may happen with one of us. So what are we going to do? Are we going to keep quiet? Or are we going to protest? आज रक्षाबंधन का पर्व है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि सारे भाई अपनी अपनी बहनों की सुरक्षा अवश्य करेंगे। इसका अर्थ ये है कि मैं किसी और की बहन के साथ दुराचार करूं? फिर ये क्यों? अन्याय क्यों? सोचो, ये तुम्हारा काम है। We have to think, if she can be my sister and if I can respect her, why the hell cannot I respect somebody else? बचपन से we have been saying, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. That's it. That's it. We have said it in our childhood, and it has remained there and there itself. When will we rise? When will we think? We have to think with our same minds. So, किसी महाकवि ने कहा है कि जिस्म नहीं ये जान है, सुरक्षा ही सम्मान है। Come on boys, कि जिस्म नहीं ये जान है, सुरक्षा ही सम्मान है। ये जिस्म नहीं है जान है, सुरक्षा ही सम्मान है। जिस्म नहीं है जान है, सुरक्षा ही सम्मान है। We should remember this. We should remember this day. We should remember what has happened and never forget. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. We want justice. 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 We want justice.
India, Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, 10004, through the Deputy Commissioner of Kalburgi, Karnataka. Subject: request for the thorough investigations and strengthening the hospital protection measures. Respected Madam, we the member of the IMA Medical Association Kalburgi and also the medical fraternity of the Kalburgi and Students Union deeply concerns regarding the recent tragic incident at Kolkata RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. The heinous crime committed against the woman doctor has shaken the medical fraternity and the nation as a whole. We respectfully urge a thorough and transparent investigations into this incident to ensure that the justice is swiftly served. The reluctance to the knowledge and address the escalating violence against the doctors and the hospital at the
ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿದೇಶದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯವಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಕೃತ್ಯ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖವಾದ ಸಮಾಚಾರ ಇದು. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಲೋಗನ್ ಬೇಟಿ ಬಚಾವ್ ಬೇಟಿ ಪಡಾವ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಂತ ಕೃತ್ಯ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಭಯಭೀಕರವಾದ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಸಮಾನ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಗಿಗಳ ಆರೈಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕೂಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಕೃತಿ ನಡೆದದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಹಳ ದುಃಖವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೆಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ and everybody should be brought to punishment and capital punishment should be given to the people who have committed this crime. First, the working conditions of the hospital should be made safe. The doctors have to be given even of protection and there should be a code V. That means whenever there is a violence in the hospital, which we see nowadays conducted by the violent mob or the patients or the attenders, then there should be a central code blue kind of system wherein when the button is pressed, then everybody should assemble there and give protection for everybody and all the doctors and the staff. And basically the human values have to be inculcated right from the childhood. Our sons have to be taught to respect the woman and they have to be made aware that the women are very vulnerable and they have to protect. And today is a Rakhi Purnima day, and on this day I call upon all the men, all the brothers, all the people of the country to consider everybody as their sisters, daughters and people at home, and please protect your girls. The manhood is in protecting the womanhood. ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಡೆಮೊಕ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಲಾ ಅಥವಾ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನಡೆದ ದುರಂತವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
Kalburgi organized a protest march from Annapurna Circle to Vidhan Saudha, and in this you can see the large number of our senior doctors across all professions, whether it is private or government, medical colleges, all 4 medical colleges, many other colleges like dental college, homeopathy college, pharmacy college, and many private colleges supported by the residents association. So everyone has united here and we are protesting against the barbaric crime of the rape and murder of one of our resident doctor in Calcutta. Well, after the crime, it was not only tried to cover up by the local police, they tried to show it as a suicide case, and then a mob of more than hundreds were intoxicated men they came into the hospital, vandalized the hospital, they assaulted the doctors, the patients, and also the attenders. Well, this is total failure of law and order, where even a peaceful protest of the doctors is not being, they are not even allowing a peaceful protest for the doctors. So we strongly condemn this, and since many years we are being demanding a strong act, central act to protect doctor. And today IMA Kalburgi have planned this on this day because today is Raksha Bandhan, see the Rakis. Unfortunately, there is no Raksha to our sisters in this country now. So we strongly condemn, and we have taken oath that we are not going to stop this here. And if the government does not act seriously, does not hang the rapists, we will continue this agitation and take to the next level. So today you can see so many people have gathered, and definitely on behalf of IMA Kalburgi, I would like to thank for all the support.
Sir, there is one slogan, sir, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. What is this meaning, sir?
Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, as you said, it's a slogan, and it has mere become only slogan.
Yes.
There is no protection to our sisters here. As per the crime data of 2022, 80 women are being raped every day in this country. So where is Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao?
This is the
Beti Padi par bachi nahi. So it is
Beti Bachao, Beti
Beti
Padhao.
Bachi,
Sir,
Padi but bachi nahi. So that is not Beti Bachao. Okay.
So what
Thank
do you want to tell, sir, this about what this happened?
No, we already told. First, we strongly condemn this. The action of police, the action needs to be taken, and the criminals, whoever have committed this crime, have to be hanged till death. And a strong central law to protect the healthcare professionals, and also see that this real slogan of what you are telling, Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao, is really, it is made possible in this country by enacting a strong law against such crimes.
Well, I condemn this heinous, barbaric crime committed at the Calcutta Medical College Hospital. The culprits should be punished. They should be hanged to death, and people who are protecting them, plus who are trying to destroy the evidence, also should be punished. Nobody should go scot-free. The government of India plus the government of West Bengal should take strict action against the rapist. And it is very surprising that being a woman chief minister, she is trying to destroy the evidence. So that shouldn't happen. The media should play a major role. So whatever we are speaking from here or anywhere, any part of the India, that should reach the corridors of the law, and strict action should be taken against the rapist. Thank you.